Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple steps how to fix iPhone charging system without opening your phone. So you just observe. As you see, when you plug the charger, it does not display, it's not charging. As you can see, there's nothing there. So in the guide, I'm going to show you how to work it as a technician. As you can see, if you look at this hole very well, you see that the hole is very dirty. It's dirty, so I will use this oil. Yes, I'm going to put it inside, spray it inside and allow it for some time, at least 5 minutes. As you can see, this is the oil. This is it. This is very powerful. They use it on many other equipments to wash them when there is rust, when it's dirty. It will make the place soft. That is inside. You wash it very well. So after keeping it for 5 minutes, you are going to use either a needle or anything that is really small to remove all the dirt that is inside the charging port, as you are going to see. So now I'm using the needle. As you can see, look at what is coming out from the charging system. Just see. That's it. I'll still continue. See, look at what is coming out from the charging port. That's dirt. So that's it. You need to make sure you touch everywhere, force every dirt that is inside, small or big. After doing that, I'm going to use another product to spray. That one gets dry easily. It's going to wash that inside particles that are left. So this, I'll still spray the liquid one. After spraying the liquid one, I will then bring the so I'll wash it very well. Wash up and down, wash it up and down, wash it. Don't be afraid, it cannot harm the charging port. iPhone charging port is really strong enough. So after washing it like this, I'll use the other one. This is it, 530 Falcon. It's a good oil. See, these are parts that you can use if spraying in them if they have problems. So I'm going to use it to wash out all what I have washed. I've cleaned with the needle. So that's it. As you can see, that's it. Look at how it has dried immediately on my hand. That's it. My hand is already dry because that's how that oil is. It will just push out all the dirt that was in the charging port, and then after you will get dry. And then if you try now to plug your charger, let's try to plug our charger and see. So this is a charger. Let me plug it. Hello, as you can see, this is it. Look at the battery very well. You see that it's charging. Let me remove it again and still plug it so that you can see very well. I've removed. Let me plug it again. Plug. Yes, that's it. You can see that's it charging. So that's it, guys. How to repair iPhone charging system. Anytime you see it, don't be in haste. to open the phone, you first of all try this method. If it works, that's good. If it does not work before you open it. So thanks guys, please like this video and see you in the next.